welcome back to my channel. So I am making a little quick dinner for my family. We're gonna be eating couscous tonight with some grilled fish and shrimp. So what I'm gonna be using is I have some plantains here, I have my vegetables, my red bell pepper, green onions, tomato, onions, and my herbs, rosemary and chamomile. I have my carrots, I have my couscous, my lemon, habanero peppers, shrimp, my mixed vegetables and corn, and also my cabbage as well. Okay guys, so let's get started. First and foremost, we're gonna get started on the fish. We're gonna season everything, get it ready to go on the grill. This is a quick meal because I have to go. I have a couple things I need to do. It's Christmas Eve and my husband is gonna be home soon. So look at this cute baby fish. I can't. How cute. It's so perfect for my daughter. I'm gonna season it with all of my seasonings, and you can choose whatever seasonings of your choice. I'm gonna go in with garlic, and I do season I do season all of the skin of the fish as well as the inside, front and back, before I put my sauce on it. And you guys will see. So my fish is seasoned on both sides, and I forgot to mention that make sure you pat it dry once you clean it and all that stuff, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna chop up my vegetables and everything, and I'm gonna cut a couple of slices into, but not in half, of my fish. I'll show you. So usually I do this first, but I kind of forgot. Like I said, it's Christmas Eve, so I'm all over the place. But I definitely said, you know what, I need to record this for you guys because it's gonna be, so I'm literally just slicing it. I'm not cutting it all the way through, but just enough to where my sauce and stuff will get inside of the fish and make it juicy, juicy. So once I'm done seasoning my fish, I'm just gonna transfer them into this plastic container because I am gonna pour my sauce in there in a second. And I need to cut up my, so this is how it looks, so you guys can see before the grill. Okay, so I've cut up all my vegetables. I'm gonna add some rosemary, just like one stick of rosemary. I'm gonna break it in half, chop it in half. And I'm also adding a small amount of rosemary and a small amount of chamomile for the herbs. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend this so you guys know. So once that's done, we're gonna go in and pour it on our fish. a little bit of olive oil. And make sure your hands are clean. It's time to moisturize the fish. We gotta moisturize the fish. So now it's time to season the shrimp. For the shrimp, very simple. I'm just gonna use some garlic salt. Paprika. Cayenne pepper. Black pepper. So my shrimp is ready to go. For the couscous, I'm gonna use my red onion instead of my white onion, okay? So my shrimp is done being seasoned, my fish is done being seasoned. Both are going on the grill. This is for my couscous sauce, and I'm gonna go ahead and make the couscous now, just so you guys see. You don't need a lot because you're going to use water. It's literally just to kind of give it its flavor. Now we're going to add 2 cups of couscous. So this part is very important. We're gonna add 1 cup of beef stock. 1. And then 1 cup of water. So you have the beef stock and then you have 1 cup of water. So for every cup that you use of couscous, you want to use that same amount of water. So if you use 2 cups of couscous, 2 cups of water. So you have that. You're going to let it steam. I'm going to start seasoning. I added some Maggi cubes. A little bit of adobo. Everything is now done, finished. I have the couscous ready. I have my cabbage ready, steamed, and I'm making my plantains now to go. So for the fish, when I made it on the grill, it is very delicate, so you have to be careful so it doesn't break. But what you can do also, if you don't want to make it on the grill, you can make it in the oven. But same procedure, you have to be very careful with fish because it's very delicate. So you want to use different things, like make sure you have oil or the nonstick spray for your grill as well. Also, when you're making the corn, to keep it warm, I like to just put it in the oven. I normally put the oven on keep warm, just so it doesn't get cold, and sit on the plate. Feel free to use whatever sides you want to use. I like to put butter on my corn after it's already grilled. And we're all done, all good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Feel good, 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 feel good. Home.